Are you looking for the best tennis ball machines? Tennis ball machines have evolved from basic feed systems to sophisticated training tools that can replicate realistic rally patterns, simulate varied trajectories, and support remote coaching. For players and coaches, these devices offer repeatable drills, consistent ball placement, and the ability to practice solo without a partner. This review compares 5 widely used models across a broad price range, from entry-level portable units to premium.
Product number 1. PT Smart Tennis Ball Machine. The PT Smart from Pusan is a feature-rich, app-enabled trainer designed for skill development with 11 professional modes: forehands, backhands, volleys, and horizontal swings, and 20 customizable landing points for full court practice. It supports a 100-ball hopper, a 5-hour external battery, and a max speed of 75 miles per hour with adjustable feed intervals from 1.8 to 8 seconds and spin controls. The combination of Android iOS app control plus an external battery makes it versatile for both indoor and outdoor use, and its 15-kilogram weight sits on the heavier side for a portable unit, yet not unwieldy for rackets-only practice spaces. It has a strong 3-year warranty and a favorable 4.7 out of 5 user rating, suggesting reliable performance in real-world sessions. In practice, the PT Smart excels as a solo training companion when you need realistic rally tempo and targeted shot placement. The 20 landing points allow practice across the court's surface, from baseline depth charges to wide cross courts, which is particularly useful for developing footwork patterns and anticipation. The device supports app-driven customization with remote control, enabling quick drill changes between serves, topspin-ready forehands, and backhands on the run. For clubs or coaches running clinics, its durable ABS and metal construction and 5-hour battery life are important efficiency factors, though the unit's weight may necessitate a dedicated storage spot or a workshop setup.
Product number 2. Spin Shot Pro Tennis Ball Machine. The Spin Shot Pro is the premium model, touted as the most user-friendly option in the lineup. Notable for its non-plastic construction and a knob-based control surface designed for intuitive use, even by children. It supports flexible power options and includes a battery charger with the battery shipped separately, emphasizing modularity. Built around a durable TPU/PU construction, it weighs roughly 50 kilograms, indicating a sturdy, stable unit, and is designed to deliver a broad feature set with robust oscillation and programmable options. At $999, it targets serious enthusiasts and clubs seeking top-tier usability and reliability. In operation, Spin Shot Pro shines in terms of reliability and ease of use, with tactile knob controls complemented by phone app integration for advanced users. The device's emphasis on durability, power flexibility, and a strong feature set makes it ideal for training environments where consistent ball delivery and long-term maintenance are priorities. The separate battery storage requirement means setup coordination is necessary for transport to different venues, but once in place, the Pro offers predictable performance and serviceability that justify its premium positioning.
Product number 3. PT Mini Pro Tennis Ball Machine. The PT Mini Pro is positioned as a compact, beginner-friendly option from Pusan, offering 65 ball capacity, a light 17-pound design, and app remote control. It features a broad speed range, 3 to 12 miles per hour, with a gentle 2 to 8 second feed interval and 5-point horizontal randomization, delivering a safe, progressive pathway for newcomers. The device emphasizes portability and ease of use, making it ideal for home practice, youth clinics, and schools where space and budget constraints exist. The 3-year warranty and reasonable entry-level feature set contribute to its accessibility in the market. In operation, the PT Mini Pro shines when teaching foundational stroke mechanics and rhythm. The 5 to 12 mile per hour range is appropriate for beginners and casual players, while the 5-point horizontal randomization provides a natural feel without overwhelming new players with too much variability. The app control supports on-the-fly adjustments to speed, interval, spin, and launch angle, which is crucial for coaching sessions. However, its market reception is modest, lower customer rating, suggesting potential trade-offs in reliability or user experience that buyers should validate with current reviews, especially when considering long-term investment for a program.
Product number 4, Tennis Twist for beginners. Tennis Twist from Sports Tutor is a US-made, battery-powered trainer aimed at beginners and casual players. It throws balls at a steady 5-second cadence, holds up to 28 balls, and weighs a mere 10 pounds. The unit accepts regular and oversized balls, including pickleballs, broadening its use across clinics or family courts. Its battery operation promises 8 to 10 hours on 6 D-cell batteries, which is convenient for venues without reliable electrical access. A 3-year warranty adds confidence in durability for home use. In practice, Tennis Twist emphasizes simplicity and reliability over advanced programmability. The fixed cadence and modest hopper capacity are suitable for warm-up routines, stroke repetition, and basic drills without needing a smartphone or app. The portability is a major strength for car trunk practice or classroom setups. On the downside, the lack of electronic speed control or drift manipulation means more limited drill variety and less precise ball placement control for experienced players.
Product number 5, Spin Shot Player. The Plus 2 is Spin Shot Player's premium, feature-rich model that combines the Plus and Player capabilities into one high-end unit. It offers a foldable hopper capable of holding over 120 balls, full smartphone control for shot-by-shot customization, speed, spin, height, angle, feed rate, and the ability to program complex oscillations without any additional subscription or hardware upgrade. The unit is built around a metal frame with a TPU and PU composite, and it ships with a charger while the battery is sold separately. At $2,299, it targets serious players and academies demanding maximum drill variety and scalability. In practice, Plus 2 represents the pinnacle of the spin shot line, with deep programmability and widespread applicability, from dictating multi-shot drills to simulating complex rally patterns. The phone-based control removes some limits on where you can place the machine in relation to the player, and the generous hopper capacity minimizes refill interruptions during longer training sessions. However, the price is significantly higher than the other options in this review, so the value comparison hinges on the intensity of use, club needs, and the degree to which advanced programmable drills justify the investment.